Talking of Mamelodi Sundowns, you rightfully mentioned that they recently thrashed Orlando Pirates 4-1. So surely they've been beating almost everyone in as far as South African football is concerned. And they've won the league unprecedented for the past 7 years, back to back. That's unheard of. So is it safe to say Mamelodi Sundowns has definitely turned South African football into some kind of what? Kapu yase
Like
we say
Mickey Mouse.
no, Mickey Mouse Farmers League.
In stating that they're owing 40 million, or Real AM are owing SARS 40 million. I'm like, hey, we've got Nedbank Cup. They're supposed to play, is it Milford FC?
Milford, yes,
The game
in
did
the
not
last
take
32
place.
years.
Exactly. And then there was a point where School United were supposed to play the winner of the two. Still, the game did not progress.
Okay, just going back to that incident that took place way back in 2022, the Kaizer Chiefs versus Royal AM incident, where Royal AM chairman got on the pitch and started paying players hard cash on the field of play on the national TV. What is your take looking at that incident regarding the confidentiality, the respect, the dignity of the players?
It's just uncalled for me when I watched that incident. I think for me, they could have done that in private, as we've seen with some other teams where if you get to beat the big giants, you'll get an incentive, you'll get a bonus without disclosing how much it is. But what Royal AM did there was just uncalled for. And that's where I felt mhlambe basibisela party. So by doing that, so you don't do that. So that's why everyone, you know, she had so many friends, Miss Mam Kize, about the team. She was just cruising with different celebrities, and now she's left alone. No one is there to assist her.
Just to recap, Mamelodi Sundowns 2024-2025 Betway Premiership, do you tip them to walk away victorious, or Orlando Pirates still stand a chance of catching them up and topple them?